Today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of deploying a single SD-WAN fabric. So people today are working from anywhere. We work from a home, we work from a business office or an office park or location. We may work at a branch or retail location, and we may move around. At the same time, the data and services and applications that we need reside everywhere. They're now in the cloud, they're software as a service, they may be in data centers that reside in a particular company location. The challenge is, how do you connect and protect the users and devices that are joining the network at all of these different locations? So the challenge in this area for IT teams is about how to provide this connectivity that's always on, that's seamless and easy, and it delivers that in-office experience even when I'm working somewhere else. We know that IT is also challenged by poor user experience, freezing video, poor application, they can't connect, various issues that users are complaining about, and that's a challenge for IT. And security risks and vulnerabilities continue to increase. It was easy before when everything was in our corporate location, including our data. That was easier to control, secure. Now, data is everywhere. People are accessing it from many locations. So the answer to this is EdgeConnect SD-WAN fabric, which provides a cohesive fabric that joins all of these locations, people and employees and guests connecting to SaaS and cloud. And what makes the fabric unique is in the sense that it has a number of right-sized on-ramps. These on-ramps, what we mean by that, are devices that are sized and built and cost-effective depending on where you need to deploy them. As an example, when an employee works from home, all they need is an access point. It has SD-WAN capabilities, and it is able to on-ramp the enterprise network through the fabric. And it's very focused on automation. Automation is critical because you have all of these different cloud and SaaS applications and places where data lives. That's dynamically changing. The network is a giant mesh that's constantly changing. And you can't manually keep up with provisioning and making those changes. You need a network that's intelligent and automated to do that on your behalf. The second part is security. It's security from the edge where you're joining through the core of the network all the way to the cloud, and to basically deliver a zero trust and a SASE framework. And lastly, it provides flexibility and agility. You can bring up sites as you need, wherever the business needs to run, wherever your employees need to work. As you choose different cloud vendors or options, you can move these things at the pace that makes sense for your business. All of this, by the way, is also driven by a software-defined architecture with a centralized management tool using Central, which gives you complete control and visibility from the edge to the cloud and everything in between. Everything you need to make it easy for IT to do their job. So this translates into a number of benefits. The first is around consistent connectivity. That means if I'm over here and I'm working from home, I can connect into the network. But if I move and I go to the office today, I have a similar connectivity. It's easy, it's seamless, I don't even need to think about it. And IT doesn't need to provision things to make that happen. It also provides automated network quality of service parameters and security policies. This frees up IT from making manual changes, from provisioning special security rules for certain sites or certain things. And it also makes it easy to reduce any human errors. The result is a very consistent security policy that moves across and addresses the entire enterprise. And the last benefit, of course, is enhanced quality of experience, delivering new applications and services faster from the IT team, but the users and employees have a great experience and are able to get their jobs done. Less frustration, less dealing with headaches of how do I connect to the network, how do I get my job done. So as you can see, the EdgeConnect SD-WAN fabric connects and protects users and IT with a unified single fabric that connects them wherever the data and apps are so that they can get their job done in the most productive and effective way. So with that, I thank you for listening, and for more information, I encourage you to go watch our entire Lightboard series and also visit our website. Thank you, and have a great day.